Hi, I'm Laura Thompson from CMK Chartered Accountant. Today I'm going to show you how to process a batch payment from Xero straight into your online banking. Batch payments should save you the hassle of individually entering each bill into your online banking. Instead, with just a few clicks, you can upload them all together in a single batch, streamlining the process and saving you time. So first we're going to publish our invoices from Hubdoc. These documents should already be uploaded into your Hubdoc account. If you're not sure how to upload documents into Hubdoc, we have got a helpful webinar on our YouTube channel that walks you through it, so feel free to check that out after this session. Now, here's an example invoice of what we're going to pay. So you'll see on the right-hand side, there are some key fields. Now, these usually autofill, but if not, you can enter them manually. So you'll need the supplier name, the invoice date, the due date, and the invoice amount. Now, you want to scroll down here to the Xero integration section, and you'll want to select purchase as the document type. For this status, I'm choosing awaiting, but if you plan to make further edits in Xero, you can select draft instead. So enter the supplier name, and you also want to enter the account code. And then once you're ready, you can click publish, and this will send the invoice directly into Xero. Okay, so that will have published the invoice to Xero. So now we're going to head into Xero, and the first thing we're going to do is to set up the supplier's bank details. So if you go to contacts at the top and all contacts, and then you want to search for Foxglove Studios, which is the invoice that we just pushed through. And then if you go into financial details and edit, then we can add their bank account number in there. Okay, and so this step is only needed for new suppliers. So once it's saved, Xero will remember their details for next time. Okay, so now we just want to go up to the top menu again and go to business and bills to pay. And so this is where all your bills sit. Under the awaiting payment tab, these are the bills that are ready to be paid, including the one that we've just published from Hubdoc. So you want to select the invoices that you'd like to pay and click batch payment. So if you didn't already enter the bank details in the contact section, you can still add them here. But since we've already done that, the details will auto-populate. So at the top of the screen, we want to select a payment date and select the bank account that you want to pay from. But you also have the option to add a reference, which can be helpful for tracking purposes. We also recommend adding a reference to each individual payment, for example, the invoice number, and this can help the supplier easily identify what the payment relates to. So once everything looks good, you click Make Payment. Okay, so now that the batch has been created, we're going to export the payment file, and this will automatically download to your computer, and this should come up in the top right-hand corner of your computer screen. Now, you don't want to open the file, but instead head over to your internet banking platform and log in. And most banks will have a feature for batch payments or bulk uploads. You'll want to drag the file that you've just downloaded into that area of your internet banking. Every bank labels this differently, so if you're unsure how it works with your bank, feel free to reach out to us at CMK. We're more than happy to help you through with the process. Okay, that's it. You've just completed a batch payment using Hubdoc and Xero. If you'd like to upgrade your current subscription to access this feature, feel free to get in touch with us. And if you found this webinar helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more practical tips. Thanks for joining us.